Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Be honest, how many different tools are you paying for right now to run your business? Before you know it, you're paying hundreds every month and still wasting time switching between dashboards. What if you could replace all of that with just one platform, brand it as your own, and never pay monthly fees again? That's exactly what Sellful is offering with their lifetime deal on StackSocial. So what is Sellful? You can build websites, manage clients, send invoices, run marketing campaigns, sell products, even handle payroll, all from a single dashboard. Here's what makes this deal stand out. AI, website, and funnel builder. Need a landing page or full website? Sellful's AI can generate it in seconds. No coding, no WordPress headaches, just click, customize, and publish. CRM plus marketing automation Sellful keeps all your customer data in one place. You can track leads, send emails or texts, and even automate follow-ups. That means fewer lost deals and more happy clients. E-commerce and payments. Whether you're selling digital downloads, physical products, or subscriptions, Sellful has an online shop built in. Plus, it integrates with Stripe, PayPal, Square, and more. Project management and team tools. Instead of bouncing between Slack, Trello, and Google Drive, you can manage projects, chat with your team, and even assign tasks directly inside Sellful. Courses and memberships. If you're a coach, trainer, or educator, Sellful lets you build and sell online courses or set up membership programs without paying extra for Teachable or Kajabi. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. The ERP agency plan normally sells for around $1,497. But through this lifetime deal, you can grab it for just $349.97 one time. Now, a quick heads up. The free email sends are capped at $50K. You'll need to pay a little extra if you want more, or connect your own sender. And since Sellful does so much, there is a bit of a learning curve. So if you're ready to cut down on subscriptions, simplify your workflow, and finally have everything in one place, check out the Sellful lifetime deal while it's still available. I've left my affiliate link in the description below. Click that to grab the deal and support the channel. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you use an all-in-one tool like Sellful, or do you prefer separate apps for each task? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.